So this week we've spent a lot of time with Vodafone and some other partners going through a design thinking and ideation process. We've come here to try and find how we can use 5G in our business to better help our customers.
And we've really taken everyone on a journey of understanding, what is the technology, what is the business problems, and how do we solve that?
The last few days we've been looking at two areas. The first is in the area of smart bins, and the second is something that we're calling vehicle condition reporting.
What we saw in Milan in particular was how some prototypes they've created over there are using image capture and a little bit of machine learning and artificial intelligence to determine whether a bin is contaminated with waste or not.
Using the power of artificial intelligence and edge computing, we'll be able to know if there's something been put in the bin that doesn't belong there, and to send an alert in real time, both to the customer as well as to waste management themselves.
One of the other problems that we've started tackling this week is looking at how we can make sure our drivers are inspecting the vehicle before they go out on the road to make sure everything is in working order, and when they come back at the end of the day, they make sure everything is still in working order.
I was fortunate enough to be working with the team that were working on a prototype called DVCR. This is a key safety thing that every truck driver has to do twice a day.
When we were over in Germany, in Düsseldorf, we went through the Ego factory. But what was most exciting for us was probably how they're using some smart technology to basically take an X-ray view of the car and see all the moving parts of the car and diagnose what's working and what's not.
It's not going to just be an app to help them effectively remove a piece of paper. It's actually going to improve the process. So it's going to provide some augmented reality intelligence so that the driver knows what they're supposed to do at each step. It's going to include the option for the driver to speak in their own native language, because a lot of these drivers aren't actually, English isn't their first language.
I didn't know a lot of the people coming in this week, learning their strengths, their weaknesses, and just sort of discovering more about myself.
I've realised that anything is possible, that we can't really be limited by what we expect. Like 5G's got some pretty awesome potential.
The Vodafone Partnership Program's been set up to connect our customers with the best of our global expertise and our technical know-how.
And I think it's a fantastic output from the collaboration across the team and the people working together to get to the stage where we are.
For me, that shows the value of going out and talking to the people that are actually going to use the technology, understanding what their day looks like. Walk a mile in their shoes.